Hi everyone, I'm Roxy and I'm from the Silent Legion. Today I want to talk about a little bit of kit that we have kept in the flat. Hopefully we never have to use it. It's our hospital grab bag. So here's our hospital grab bag. It's easy to carry. It's got everything we've got in here for them horrible trips that you just hate taking, just to make the time a little bit easier and a bit more enjoyable, if you can call it enjoyable in a hospital. So to start with, we have a trusty hand sanitizer. Cheap, cheerful, you can get it anywhere. Just to try and keep them lurgies at bay. A radar key for those locked toilets. When you really need to go, you've got to go. They're cheap and cheerful. You can buy them online. They're a godsend, to be honest, especially when you're out and about and they charge 20p to use a pee. When you've got a key, you can just go. So in our side pouches, we have two. We have one of our favourite games, which is the trusty old battleships. So we have one on each side and one on this side. So takes the boredom away, just to have a game and keep certain people occupied. Also in the side pouch we have our medications, because they always ask and we always end up forgetting something or another, so we keep that on hand. So inside the actual bag we've got lots of goodies. So we have a collapsible water drinker. They're cheap and cheerful. You buy them online, because they also always got water machines in hospital, especially when the vending machines are not working. So we carry one of these with us. And to go with that, we have our own squeegee squash, which they're a godsend, and you can pick them up anywhere, and they're cheap and cheerful as well. So we have that too. In here we have our spare medication, just in case we spend hours at A&E, like, you know what it's like in England at the moment with NHS waiting times. So we have spare medication. We also have, which we're going to be quitting, a spare box of fags for when certain people get very agitated in the waiting rooms, shall we say. So we always have to carry a cigarette and a lighter with us wherever we go. Also in our bag we carry snacky snacks, because hunger is not a fun game, especially when you're waiting for hours in a queue. So everyone needs snacky snacks. Right, what else we got? Now this is my godsend. I've got numerous of these. Yeah, they are actually a fan, a power pack, and a torch. So it's got a 5-speed fan on it, a torch, and a power pack. So these are amazing, and they're not heavy. I've got one in my Bergen, and we're not paid to advertise these at all. This is just something that Mr. Legion brought me in the struggling heat, and yeah, I love them. Brilliant. We also carry emergency purse with change in here, emergency cards and cash just in case we need it. And also in here we carry emergency phone, which is on a completely different network to what we are in, because hospitals, you know, they're not always great for signal. So we carry an emergency phone just so we can get hold of each other if we need to, or family, friends, etc., etc. So that's our emergency purse that we always keep in the bag. So also we've got another glorious radar key. You can never have enough of these. And we also carry our medical alert cards just in case things get a bit tense in the waiting rooms, someone gets fidgety, we can just say, look, sorry, you know, we've got medical issues. So we always carry these on us as well. A notebook, always handy for doodling, hangman, noughts and crosses, or just to make notes, because I'm like Dory the goldfish, I forget. So if someone says something to me, I need to write it down, because I will forget what they've said to me. So one of those. Trusty old word search book, just to pass the time, really. Cheap, cheerful, easy to come by. 2 pens, because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. His famous saying. So we always take 2 pens with us. We've also got spare vapes and vape juice, just in case our coil burns out on our vape. My vape is not normally far from my side, so I've got spare vape juices and things. Tissues for when you go to the toilet, and I'm not known for great toilet roll in there or having toilet roll, so I don't fancy using my sock like I did last time. So always carry a pack of tissues. So what else we got in here? We've got a phone cable, charging cable, because your phones always die when you're in hospital. So, and you can never get to a plug socket, so we can use that along with my fan, so we can charge our phones. Mr. Silent Legion's amazing kit that he's made up, his bandolier of games. So in here, I'll just get rid of that bag for a minute. We have trusty old Connect 4, which is what it is. Old style game, amazing, passes the time. So we have that one. We also have various card games. And no, there's no strip poker going on in the hospital. So we have cards, animal snaps, bit of fun, something to do. Now this little Game Boy, it's got 2,500 games on it. It's rechargeable. It's very light, so you can chuck it in your kit or whatever. But yeah, it keeps Mr. occupied on them horrible days in the hospital or car journeys or whatever. Good little gadget. Cheap and cheerful, decent. And then we've got some more power packs. Never have enough power packs when you're stuck somewhere in the hospital and you need to charge your phones, etc. Because 2 is 1 and 1 is none. So that is that. Oh, and of course, your vape charger. So don't forget, guys, like and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you get alerts when we post more videos. Check out our other videos, and also check out the Silent Legion group on Facebook and other platforms. Thank you very much.